No one likes pop-ups. And yet, with recent updates to Adobe Acrobat, we seem to be getting inundated with constant pop-ups asking if we want to save time by reading a summary using the AI assistant. It pops up here at the top of our screen anytime we open a document that's at least 3 pages. But it doesn't end up saving me time because every time I open up a new PDF, I have to close that pop-up all over again. Especially since most of the PDFs I open are my own, making that feature really not the most useful for me and my workflow. It's just one more thing I have to click on when I open a PDF. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of it. It's super easy, you just have to know where to look. All we have to do is go up here to Menu, or on a Mac you'll click on the word Acrobat that's at the top of your screen, and then go down to Preferences. Or we can use the shortcut Control-K or Command-K on a Mac. Or the shortcut Command-Comma also does the same thing on Mac for some reason. Both shortcuts seem to work, so whichever you prefer. If we click on that, then we want to go to the Generative AI category. Then we just want to deselect this option here that says Show AI Summary Bar on top of the document. That's the option that's causing it to ask us every time we open a new PDF. So we'll go ahead and deselect that. And then we can click on OK. Now first we can see the summary pop-up is still there. But if we close Acrobat and then reopen our file, then we can see it finally opened without that pop-up. So it's finally gone, keeping our PDFs clean and not making us click on more things than we have to. And that's the easy fix for getting rid of that annoying pop-up every time you open up a multi-page document in Adobe Acrobat. And now that we have that fixed, did you know that there's a quick and easy way to reduce the file size of your PDFs without sacrificing quality? I have a video right here to share that secret with you.